Hey everybody, welcome out to today's Photo G.I. Joe Hero toy opening. Today I'm going to be opening up a 3 3/4 figure that I picked up at my favorite discount store. This one was originally $12. They had it for 50% off, so I figured I'd grab it. I was with my son and he was looking at this one, so I decided to pick it up and we'll let him have it after. But anyway, this is Mandalorian Fleet Commander from the Mandalorian series. The figure itself is cool. You can't see because of the sticker, but he was kind of the one in charge. There's the front of it. But he's the one that they needed to take authority back from. But and this talks a little bit about that specific guy. Yep, he leads the light cruiser. Anyway, yeah, there's the figure with the art. Not much of a box art with the guy, but sorry about that. The video cut out for some reason. Anyway, we'll get this open. Just gonna add a little bit more light. Okay, get that out of the way. We got the figure. Let's zoom in just a little. Okay. So he's got the Mandalorian pistol that is really common. Just a nice, easy one to put on. His helmet looks good. It looks like paint's not quite right. You can kind of see a little bit of like blue through it, but otherwise looks good. The antenna does come down. Got some markings on it. And then figure itself. So definitely bent. I'll have to heat that up to get that working. It's weird. But we got his head doesn't swivel up and down much. Really thick neck brace. He does. I've noticed this recently. A lot of figures with shoulder pads will attach the pads not to the shoulder, which is a good idea. But he's got the ball joint, and then the ball joint and one joint elbow. And then his wrist breaks side to side, so it goes like that. Okay. And then spins on the stomach. Got the ball joint on the hip. And then spins on the thigh. Single jointed knee. And ball joint on the foot. Rocker joint or something like that. Some people call it. Anyway, the figure itself, as far as paint, his face is a little off. His eyes kind of stick out funny, but for the most part is okay. Plus, who has a Mandalorian without his helmet? Oh, we gotta take his head off too. I'll do that real quick. There we go. Much better. The paint looks really good there. The armor, it's got the metallic look to it. Otherwise, you know, it just looks good. Backpack does come off. We can put it in the water, hot water, and get that fixed. But Yeah. Anyway, so there's the figure. He has a gun. There's no trigger guard, so it's just, it is what it is. Get him down. Okay. Well, that is the Mandalorian Fleet Commander from Star Wars Mandalorian. Let me know what you think. If you picked him up, added him to your Mando set. Okay, give a like, give a share. Thanks everybody for watching. Photo G.I. Joe Hero out.